these public influences.
Hey Beach City fans, Lily coming back at you live from Texas Global Summit 2019, Day 2. We are hanging out in the exhibition hall again, chatting with startups. There's a lot of great energy rolling into the second day of this very exciting event. And I'm hanging out here with my new friend, the very insightful Nicholas, who's the managing consultant at Cathcart Associates. How are you doing today?
Doing very well, thank you. How are you?
Doing excellent.
Good.
So we were just having a conversation, right? Talking about the role that you guys play here within the Bangkok ecosystem and like filling the demand for technical talent, right? So tell us a little bit about what Cathcart Associates does.
Okay, so we've been set up here in Bangkok since 2015. We're originally from the UK. Our headquarters is in Edinburgh, Scotland. And back there, we've been very successful in finding very, very good talent for companies across a range of sectors. So we want to copy the operational model and our philosophy that we use there every day to Thailand. And it's proving to be pretty successful so far.
All right. So tell us then, like, what sort of problems do your clients come to you with? What does that relationship look like?
Okay, well, I think a lot of our clients are looking for a company that knows what they're talking about. There's a lot of recruitment companies out there. Some say they specialize in IT and some are more generalists. So what we aim to do is to find good people quickly and efficiently. So they're having a real struggle finding people to join them or people with the right skill set. Because as you know, IT is constantly changing.
Yeah.
So if they introduce or decide to invest in a new technology, then they need to bring people on board quickly to make it happen.
Okay. And then in your experience then, comparing with the IT market in the UK versus sort of like this emerging new digital economy in Thailand, what are some of the similarities across those and what are some of the unique challenges to Southeast Asia?
Okay, so just like the rest of the world, you have this year a real shortage of tech talent. There's not enough graduates coming out of university to fill the roles that are coming up. So if you check out the job boards, there's thousands of jobs and not enough people applying to those jobs or being easily accessible to engage with. So what we want to do is fill that gap and make it easier for people to find the tech talent that they need.
Okay. And so then I'm curious then, so the talent that you are finding for your clients, right? Are you mostly talking about homegrown talent like Thai nationals, or are you looking to like the rest of the ASEAN countries or fulfilling this somehow regionally?
Sure. So the great thing about Bangkok is there's a really, really good pool of talent.
Yeah.
It's just hard to find, that's all. There's a lot of great companies here. 10 years ago, there wasn't so much of a startup culture, but now it's really emerged and there's a lot of cool businesses or new tech coming out that are actually encouraging and inviting a lot of the developers in the more established companies to join them.
Okay.
So it is evolving and they offer different projects and different ideas that maybe you don't get elsewhere. So that's making the ecosystem a lot more varied. But at the same time, companies right across Thailand have many challenges and obviously their own projects that are interesting will appeal to certain people. So we need to figure out what is the mindset of the candidate, what drives them, what are their ambitions, what will they be interested in, and then ultimately put them in the right job for them.
All right. Very cool. So about your background then, like how did you get into this? Were you an IT guy? Have you always worked in recruitment?
No, actually I started 6 years ago and I joined Cathcart Associates, which is a boutique IT recruitment company, and I really like their philosophy, which is making people first. We really are interested in what people want and what drives them, what they are going to achieve and in terms of their career, and also what the clients want as well. So with the way we work, I think it's quite unique because we actually do care about the process. We do care about candidates and our clients' needs, and so that's just really evolved over the last 6 years since I've been part of Cathcart Associates, and we just go from strength to strength and just practicing good, professional, simple recruitment, and hopefully we can continue to grow across the ASEAN region.
Right, you sort of experience the joys of that on your own journey.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Cool.
It's been great.
So what are your insights then? If you can speak here out into the audience, hopefully there are people who are maybe like universities or like boot camps, the people who are helping to create this supply of technical talent, right? What's your advice to them? What are your hopes and dreams? What do you want them to help send into the world?
Okay, so I say be strong, keep at it. get out there, get your internship, come to events like this, mingle with people, come speak to us, and we are more than happy to give you advice on your career, on your CV, and what we can maybe do is maybe find you opportunities. Who knows? But yeah, be part of the ecosystem, the tech ecosystem here, because it's only going to go from strength to strength, and it's a very, very exciting future.
All right, very cool. Well, I'm feeling that energy.
All right, thank you very much.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, Nicholas. And so stay tuned. We've got more awesome interviews coming at you from day 2 of TechSauce Global Summit. All these great conversations brought to you by our partners at True Digital Park.